Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Asad. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is act. It's a verb as well as noun. Verb forms of this word are acts, acted, acting. And the meaning of this word is অভিনয় করা বা আইন বিধি. The spelling of this word is ACT, act. So here are some sentences using this word. Have you ever acted in a play before? He's just putting on an act for the boss's benefit. She acted on a suggestion. The drug was banned by an act of parliament. All citizens have a duty to act responsibly and show respect to others. The murder was the act of a psychopath. She was acting as if she'd seen a ghost. So here are two sentences to drill. Have you ever acted in a play before? 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 তুমি কি আগে কখনো নাটকে অভিনয় করেছো? She acted on a suggestion. 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 সে আমাদের পরামর্শ অনুযায়ী কাজ করলো. Thank you very much.